Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are making लौकी के गट्टे की sabzi. You can also call it as bottle gourd dumplings. लौकी के गट्टे की sabzi, an authentic dish from Rajasthani cuisine, is a delicious sabji prepared with gram flour and lौकी or bottle gourd as base ingredients. It is an irresistible snack which can be served as a snack or during lunch or dinner. You might have tried variety of gatte ki sabzi. Have you ever tried लौकी के गट्टे? These gatte are not only delicious but they are healthy too, as they contain lौकी and gram flour in it. This mouth-watering dish will complement any meal. This dish is not only super easy to make with only a few ingredients that can be found in every kitchen, but tastes super delicious too. Let's check the ingredients now to make this delicious treat for your family and friends. Hello friends, for making लौकी के गट्टे, we have taken 200 grams of लौकी or bottle gourd, which we have already peeled and washed. And after washing, we have to towel dry this लौकी because it already contains a lot of moisture inside. Otherwise, the gatte will become too much soggy. Now use the grater to grate the लौकी. So remember that we do not take too much of लौकी for making लौकी के गट्टे because just a small amount of लौकी makes a lot of लौकी के गट्टे. So we have grated the लौकी. So now we'll make a dough for लौकी के गट्टे. So by the time we are making the dough for लौकी के गट्टे, you can keep some boiling water in a pan. Add a little salt in the boiling water. A little bit of turmeric powder. So bring this water to a boil, and once this water starts boiling, we will boil the लौकी के गट्टे. So in the grated लौकी, add the salt as per your taste. You don't need to add too much of salt, just add a little bit. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. About a teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. And about a teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Now start adding the besan or gram flour in this and start making the dough. So we will not be adding any water. We don't need to add any water because लौकी contains a lot of moisture. So we need to add the besan slowly. Don't add too much of besan at a time. So we have added about 2 cups of besan right now. And start kneading it, and if you need more besan, you can add it later. As you start kneading the dough, the लौकी will start leaving the moisture and it will help in the making the dough for the gatte. We will add the besan slowly in between as per the requirement. Now you can see the dough is ready, and we want to keep it on a little bit dry side because once we will start making the gatte out of the dough, the लौकी will still keep leaving the moisture. So just keep it on a dry side. Add a little, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and grease the dough with this oil. So adding a little bit of oil here actually helps in the gatte will not stick to one another while boiling, and it is easy to make the gatte out of the dough if you add a little bit of oil after the dough is ready. Start taking the small portions of the dough and roll them. So we have to make the gatte like this. So it is about 1/4 inch in diameter, or you can also shape it as per the size and your taste. So we have to roll the gatte like this. So when we will boil the gatte, it will also increase in volume. So just remember that while you're rolling the gattas, just don't roll them too much thick. So we have rolled all the lौकी के गट्टे. Now let's boil them. Now the water has started boiling. Once the water starts boiling, keep the flame on medium and start adding the लौकी के गट्टे one by one. So now we have put all the लौकी के गट्टे in the water. Once the water starts boiling again, we have to boil the gatte for 5 minutes. So now the water has started boiling. Now we have to use this type of spoon and then just push the gatte from the bottom, so that just to make sure that they are not sticking at the bottom. We don't need to stir them too much, otherwise they will break. Just to push them in a little from the bottom. And if you have non-stick pan, that will be great to boil the gatte, because the gatte will not stick at the bottom if you are using non-stick pan. So we need to boil this gatte for 5 minutes, then we will take them out. So while boiling the gatte, make sure to keep enough water so that the gatte are immersed in the water completely. So now the gatte has been boiling for 5 minutes and it is done. So now we can turn off the flame and we can start taking out the gatte one at a time. Don't break the gatte, just remove the water, the spoon, and take them out. And don't throw this water in which we have boiled the gatte. We will be using this water while cooking the gatte ki sabzi. So we have taken out all the gatte from the water, and as you can see, this water already contains some besan and some lौकी. So we will not be throwing this water away. We will be using it while cooking. So these are the gatte that we have taken out from the boiling water, and now we need to just cool them down, and then we will chop it. So once the gatte cools down, we need to chop them using a knife. So we need to just make small pieces of the gatte like this. So we have chopped the लौकी के गट्टे. Now let's start making the sabzi out of it. For making dry लौकी के गट्टे, we have taken about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil in a pan. If you have an iron pan or iron skillet, that is very good. It will give a nice taste. Once the oil is heated, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds adds a nice flavor in dry लौकी के गट्टे. So allow the mustard seeds and cumin seeds to crackle. Once mustard seeds and cumin seeds crackle, add some asafoetida powder. So once the mustard seeds and cumin seeds crackle, add gatte. Give them a stir. Now add some of the boiling water that was left when we boiled the gattas. So this water will be absorbed by the gattas while they are cooking. Add the salt as per your taste. We have already added some salt while boiling as well as while making the gattas, so remember to add the salt accordingly. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add generous amount of red chili powder or as per your taste. So we are adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder here. Add about 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix it nicely. while cooking, this water will be absorbed by the gattas and will also help in the spices going inside the gattas, and it will taste really delicious. Add about a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for around 10 minutes on a medium-low flame. So we need to cook the gatte nicely. So we are checking after 5 minutes. Give it a stir. Make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. So we need to cook it for 5 more minutes on a medium-low flame. So we have cooked it about a good amount of time for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you want to make a good sabzi, just you need to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium-low flame. Then you will get a good Loki ki gatte ki dry sabzi. We can also make the Loki ki gatte ki curry. You can check the video for Loki ki gatte ki curry in the link that we have provided in this video. So now add the chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix them nicely and serve it. So now we have served the Loki ke gatte ki dry sabzi. It really tastes very delicious and yummy. You can enjoy the sabzi with roti, paratha, puri or even rice. It really tastes very delicious. Enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and share this video. So we have also shared the link for Loki ki gatte ki curry. Without that link, Loki ki gatte ki curry also tastes very delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video.